Very few of us would consider our laundry rooms the crown jewel of our homes. In fact, we might suggest the exact opposite. Our laundry rooms might have been one of the last rooms we decorated when we moved in, if we got around to decorating them at all. But laundry rooms don't have to be cold or sterile. With just a little effort, your laundry room can look as lovely and feel as cozy as any other room in your home. And while a design refresh might not make folding your linens any easier, it can certainly make your time spent in your laundry room more pleasant. To help you make your laundry room feel like a true destination in your home, we've rounded up 45 tiny laundry room design ideas worth taking cues from, so scroll on, take notes, and bookmark your favorites. Enjoy the excuse to put off your weekend chores for just a few minutes longer. 1. Make the space your own. Whenever you're renovating or redecorating a space, you want to absolutely love your end result. So don't be afraid to take a few risks. If you find yourself drawn to kitschy wallpaper, bold floor tiles, and striking marble countertops, treat yourself to all 3. 2. Mix and match your storage setup. Most laundry rooms are filled with shelves and cabinets, but your storage setup doesn't have to stop there. By layering in clothing rods, woven baskets, storage trays, and more, you can give yourself all the options you need to keep your laundry tidy and your laundry supplies organized. 3. Top things off with a few fun details. Your laundry room may not be the most fun place in your home, but the right finishing touches can make it much more charming, so look for accents that'll put a smile on your face every time you see them. Hang a playful sign or fill a vase with fresh flowers. 4. Leave some of your shelves. Bare shelves are designed to be lined with stuff, but that doesn't mean yours have to be full at all times. By leaving some of your shelves bare, you can visually declutter your space while adding flexibility to it. 5. Spruce up your space. With an air plant, plants make a lovely addition to any space, but if your laundry room doesn't get tons of light, you may want to stick with a low-maintenance option, like an air plant. Air plants are plants that don't need to be potted, so they can thrive in the open air. 6. Set the scene with a fun cabinet color. Looking for an easy way to spruce up your laundry room? Paint your cabinets a fun color. Since laundry rooms don't need much furniture or decor, you can take a risk with your palette without disharmonizing your space. 7. Cozy things up with a rug. Laundry room floors are often covered with tiles, and while those tiles can be incredibly pretty, they can also get really cold. So make laundry day a little cozier by softening your floors with a rug. Take advantage of the opportunity to add a pop of color or print to your space. 8. Get playful with your wallpaper. Small spaces, like laundry rooms, are perfect for playful wallpaper. Why? Even the boldest prints on offer look great in small doses. So, take a risk on a pattern that you love looking at and line your laundry room walls with it. 9. Line your wall with laundry bags. Navigating a narrow laundry room, save space by swapping traditional hampers for laundry bags. By mounting the low-profile bags on wall hooks, you can keep your laundry room organized without losing precious space. 10. Line your floors. With fun tiles, statement-making decor abounds at eye level, but the space beneath your feet deserves some love too. Since your laundry room floors don't have to match anything else in your home, why not take advantage of the opportunity to get playful? 11. Turn your dryer balls into decor. Dryer balls can add efficiency to your dry cycle and texture to your decor scheme, so put yours on display. By storing your dryer balls in a sleek glass jar or some other pretty vessel, you can decorate your space in a way that's both pretty and practical. 12. Take a risk on a bold backsplash. Kitchen and bathroom backsplashes get a lot of love, but laundry room backsplashes can be just as fun. If the wall behind your laundry room sink could use a quick tune-up, invest in some striking tiles and paint your cabinets to complement them. 13. Make the most of an awkward space. Laundry rooms don't really need high ceilings. If your home boasts an oddly shaped room that you just don't know what to do with, consider transforming it into a laundry room. 14. Mix and match your countertops. Your laundry room countertops don't have to match. By lining some of your counters with sleek marble and the rest with warm wood, you can create a space that feels textured and dynamic. 15. Spring for a really fun sink. Your laundry room only needs a few core fixtures, like a washer, a dryer, and a sink. And while your washer and dryer can't get that strange or stylish, your sink definitely can. So spring for a sink that's unusually bold and make it the focal point of the room. 16. Cluster your must-haves on a tray. Keep your countertops neat and tidy by storing your laundry room must-haves on a tray. This approach is particularly helpful if you're low on counter space, but even if you aren't, it can be nice to have all your supplies organized and at the ready in a designated spot. 17. Dress up your space. With art may not be the first thing you think to put in a laundry room, but the surprising addition can brighten up your space, making it feel as thoughtfully decorated as the rest of your home. 18. Keep it clean with a streamlined palette. Laundry day can get overwhelming, so consider using your Decor scheme to create a sense of calm. By keeping your palette simple and streamlined, you can visually declutter your space, inviting peace of mind, even when your hamper is full of dirty laundry. 19. Invest in a bold light fixture. You wouldn't think twice about hanging bold lighting in your dining room, your kitchen, or even your bathroom, so why leave your laundry room uncreatively lit? The simple addition of a striking pendant light can transform your laundry room without you having to do anything else. 20. Line your floor with textured bricks. Tired of slick tiles and hardwoods? Line your laundry room floor with bricks instead. The robust material should hold up to the wear and tear of laundry day. And since bricks tend to come in rich, earthy colors, they should add a welcome dose of warmth to your space. 21. Trade classic drawers for wire ones. Classic drawers and cabinets abound in laundry rooms, but it can be useful to have some open storage on hand too. So consider investing in a set of wire drawers and use them to keep track of folded clothing, laundry supplies, or even extra linens. 22. Turn heads with an ultra-dark color scheme. Laundry rooms are often bright, light-filled places, but that doesn't mean yours has to be. If you tend to prefer a moodier palette, let your laundry room in on the fun. 23. Fill your space with plants. Plants make an easy addition to any space, so treat your laundry room to a few. The pops of greenery are sure to brighten up your space, whether you line your shelves with them, hang them from your ceiling, or place a couple by your sink. 24. Snag a storage tin just for lint. No one should start a dryer cycle without first cleaning out their lint screen, but all that built-up lint needs somewhere to go. Sure, you could simply keep a trash can nearby, or you could make this tedious chore a lot more charming by snagging a jar dedicated to holding all that lint. 25. Tuck your laundry room behind barn doors. If your laundry room shares space with another room in your home, consider building in a boundary. By mounting a barn door, you can conceal your laundry room without adding bulk to your space. 26. Streamline your hangers. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your laundry room, snag a set of matching hangers. This home project may sound a little dull, but streamlining your hangers will make it easier to keep your laundry room organized. 27. DIY a backsplash print you love. If you haven't been able to find printed backsplash tiles you love, consider making a backsplash pattern of your own. Snag tiles in a couple of different colors, then lay them out in a striking design. 28. Turn your faucet into a statement maker. No sink is complete without a faucet, and since your laundry room fixtures are pretty limited, you might as well have fun with the few you do have. If you're not in love with the standard faucet that came with your sink, swap it out in favor of a bolder option. 29. Stock up on woven baskets. Your laundry room may be lined with cabinets and shelves, but there's no shame in stocking up on other storage solutions. So snag a few woven baskets fit for storing smaller wares, and watch as they leave your space both tidier and more textured. 30. Paint your cabinets. 2 different colors. Two-tone cabinets are a popular option in many kitchens, so why not introduce them to your laundry room too? Paint your wall cabinets one color and your base cabinets another. 31. Hang a striking set of blinds. Your laundry room window is an obvious place to add some decor. Sure, floor-length curtains might be impractical for such a cabinet-packed space, but a set of striking blinds can tie the room together, especially if you snag some in a color, pattern, or texture that'll complement the other accents in the room. 32. Add flexibility with towel hooks. Many laundry rooms come equipped with clothing rods and hangers. And while these storage solutions can handle most of the clothes in your closet, they're not suitable for hanging other essentials, like sheets, towels, and more. 33. Snag appliances you love. Looking at your washing machine and your dryer may not qualify as decor, but they'll certainly become focal points in your space. So once you've narrowed down your appliance options based on function, use form to make the final choice. 34. Color coordinate your hardware. Most laundry rooms are packed with hardware like doorknobs, drawer pulls, faucets, and more. There's no rule that says these items have to match. but color coordinating them can make a big impact, especially in a small space like a laundry room. 35. Give yourself a place to sit. Make laundry day more comfortable by adding a seat to your decor scheme. This chair doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just make sure it's cozy enough to keep you comfortable during afternoons spent folding laundry. 36. Craft a subtle statement ceiling. Once you've lined your walls with wallpaper and covered your floor with tiles, you may think your decorative work is done, but take a moment to look up. Your ceiling is part of your decor scheme, whether you've decided to decorate it or leave it blank. 37. Add drama with recessed lighting. Ceiling lighting may be a must, but other forms of lighting are worth considering too. For a particularly moody look, install a set of recessed lights underneath your cabinets. 38. Paint your trim to match your cabinets. When it comes to our trim, many of us keep things simple. We paint our trim the same color as we've painted our walls. But by painting your trim to match a different accent, like your cabinets, you can make a striking statement while adding cohesion to your space. 39. Hang a couple pretty pendant lights. If your laundry room is particularly long or large, one overhead fixture may not be enough. So instead of setting your sights on a single chandelier, consider hanging a pair of striking pendant lights. 40. Resist the urge to put cabinets everywhere. When it comes to cabinets, more is often merrier, but that's not always the case in a laundry room. While cabinets can be a useful place to store detergents and folded items, they're not great for air-dry-only clothing. 41. Mix and match your tile choices. Struggling to choose between two different tile sets? Snag one set for your backsplash and the other for your floors. Though it can be tempting to streamline all the tiles in your space, mixing and matching them can look just as great, especially if both sets boast a similar palette. 42. Turn your hampers into decor. Laundry hampers may be a practical purchase, but that doesn't mean they can't look great in your space. There are tons of laundry hampers that are roomy, easy to carry, and absolutely delightful to look at. 43. Add contrast with a few black accents. When you dream up an ideal laundry room palette, black may not be the first color that comes to mind, but the bold neutral can add a welcome dose of contrast to your space, complementing some of the brighter and warmer shades in the room. 44. Get creative with your cabinetry. Remember that you don't have to paint your cabinets just one color. You can dress them up with a striking border, top them off with contrast trim, or highlight their texture with a little accent paint. 45. Store your detergent in glass jars. A store-bought box, bag, or bottle of detergent may not be the statement-making accent you're looking for, so consider storing your detergent in a glass jar or bottle instead.